What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the network connection error for Free Fire on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Completely close all applications, including the game. Some apps might be bottlenecking your network connection, such as active downloads. Next, make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. Switch from cellular to Wi-Fi and vice versa to troubleshoot where the issue is coming from. You can additionally utilize network speed test apps to verify how good your connection is. A bad connection is the primary issue for users getting the network connection error for the game. In case you want to use your cellular connection, then make sure that mobile data is enabled in the Free Fire system settings. In your Free Fire settings, toggle the mobile data option on. If you prefer to use a Wi-Fi connection, then restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while and reduce the amount of devices connected to the same network. If nothing helped, then the issue is related to your network settings and processes running on your device. Open up your settings application. Here, navigate to General, Reset. Select to reset network settings. This will reset any changes made in your network settings, which could be a cause of the network connection error. When the reset is done, you should also restart your device if you haven't done this in a while. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.